Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Leendo and this is my kitchen. And if you are a returning bestie, welcome back besties. Thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. And for the new viewers, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also give this video a huge like, and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I post a new video. So today guys, I will be making fluffy pancakes. So it's gonna be quite a quick video, so I'm gonna take you guys along and just show you all the steps, and I hope that you enjoy the video. So yeah, stay tuned.
Ooh, when I'm feeling so hungry, I go watch my favorite girl. When she's cooking and baking, I love that delicious dessert. Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Leendo's kitchen. I love you, Leendo. Yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo. Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Leendo's kitchen. I love you, Leendo. Yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo.
Okay besties, so over here it's the ingredients that I'm gonna be using for the fluffy pancakes. So I have here 1 cup of flour, and then I have 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of margarine. It must be melted. And then I also have 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, but you can also use normal sugar. And then I have here vanilla essence. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon. And lastly, I have baking powder, so you're also going to need like 1 teaspoon. So I'm just going to quickly start mixing and show you guys everything. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay besties, so I'm quickly going to add my baking powder. So it's just 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then I'm also adding my 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, and then lastly I'm adding like a pinch of salt. So I'm just going to mix that together. Okay, so now I'm going to add my wet ingredients into this flour mixture. So I'm starting with the egg. And then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm also going to add my milk. One cup of milk. And then lastly, I'm adding my margarine. It's 1 tablespoon of margarine. Okay, so now I start mixing. So make sure that you mix up until all the lumps are like fully finished. Like your batter must be very smooth. So this is the consistency of our batter. Yeah, so that's perfect. So now I'm just going to light up my stove and add some margarine. You can use either margarine or butter, and then we're gonna start making these pancakes. Okay besties, so I have my stove on right now and my butter is now melted. So I'm just gonna scoop some batter and then pour it onto the pan. And then I'm gonna let it cook maybe for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side, and then I'm gonna tilt it over and then it'll cook on the other side as well. Okay, so right now I'm going to flip the pancake over because on the one side it has already cooked, so I'll be using the spatula. This is how it looks like on the other side. So I'm just gonna set it aside on a piece of paper towel and a plate so that the oil gets absorbed. So I'm gonna do the second one now. Okay, besties, so this is the second pancake. This is how it looks on one side, and then this is how it looks on the other side. So always make sure that you are using, try to use a non-stick pan or pot, but if you don't have one, then always just make sure that your heat is very, very low. Even when using the non-stick one, make sure that your heat is super low as well so that it doesn't burn. So I'm just adding my third. Ooh, besties, this one is a perfect one. Perfect. Look at that. It's so nice, so smooth. Yo, it came out very well. So the secret is making sure that your heat is low so that your pancakes don't burn. Still cooking underneath. Oh, but it's beautiful. Love it. Okay, besties, so we are done, and this is how our our pancakes look like. But yeah, anyway, this is how the fluffy pancakes look like, guys. And remember, I said that you need to have your heat on low heat so that they don't burn. Can you see? They look very beautiful and they have cooked very well. So yeah, basically always make sure that you have your stove on the lowest heat, maybe on level 2 out of 6 if your stove ends on 6. So put it on level 2, and then don't put a lot of margarine or a lot of butter, especially if you're using like a non-stick pan or pot. So yeah, just try to make sure that it's on low heat with less oil. So yeah, then they will turn out beautifully like this. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video, besties, and please remember to subscribe, comment, like, share the video with your friends, your family, and everyone that really would need to make pancakes for breakfast. And yeah, I'll catch you, besties, on the next video. Bye.